now you're being recorded, and it's 2021, first meeting of 2021, January 4th. It's a CI SIG Node meeting. Welcome, everybody. We have a very short agenda. Amim, you edit your agenda item first, so should.
Okay. Hello. This first task is about renaming a dashboard from GCA to COS. So I start the PR and I start some document to describe what we should do. This is something we need to discuss first because there is no real gain just moving everything to a new tab. We are only renaming things that people from SIG, the test infra was trying to do. So for SIG Node, that's our part. Basically, we are just, the PR just copied the test to a new tab, call it SIG Node COS. And we keep the container D tab yet. So maybe you can see how this can be organized better or have some other insights, grouping them in another tab. And at the same time, we are ready to rename what we need to rename.
Why are you having both of here?
Because, so this is something we can discuss. We can like keep only one tab, or we can duplicate the tab. Because if I leave only SIG Node COS here, it will remove from the SIG Node container D.
I see. So you want like this test logically belongs to both container D because it's the test container D and COS because it's COS specific. Is it the case?
Yes.
Yeah, I wonder what this test does because I mean, everything in COS needs to be COS specific, I think, and I wonder what it will do. But I mean, yeah, logically it's fine.
I think we need Roy to review this PR as well.
Mm-hmm.
So ping him on Slack.
Did you add him? Oh yeah, he's here. Is it Roy?
BSD.net, I think.
BSD, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, and you have another one?
The other one is a flag that I'm adding on the Node E2E test. So basically, we need a way to restart kubelet or control the restart of kubelet in the test. So system CTL will not restart this automatically. And I am adding this flag on the test to avoid the restart of kubelet by system CTL.
So there are a few comments. Are they all resolved?
There is one discussion about reusing this test context structure on the framework.
Mm-hmm.
But this is another thing that we need to talk with Georgie, because he proposed the refactoring of these structures. But I think this is outside of this topic. Like,
okay, so creating a flag first, and you have a description why we need it, right? I remember there was some test that you want to enable with it.
Yes, we are graduating some flags on kubelet for the log contention, and I need to not restart the kubelet automatically.
So let's see whether it's on our project board. So I also worked the last week of December, and I added a few tabs. So first I did this let's say queries, and out of these queries you see it's open SIG Node, and in test infra there is no test area, so there is no need for label test. I just get project, like I exclude everything that belongs to the project already, so that's already added to this project. So you see, like there is no zero issues here, and then I did this for like PRs issues on test infra and PRs interest on Kubernetes. Here I do area test, also SIG Node, and then issue the same, and then failing test, again SIG Node. And they all empty now because I moved all issues into triage space. I mean, everything that wasn't added yet. And I discovered that some of them are like not related to our group. And what I want to do like is out of 48 right now, like for instance, this one is drop Docker shim. It doesn't belong to our group at all. So what I will be doing is just, what is the archive button? There is an archive button. Am I signed in? Oh yeah. Okay, it's after vacation. On this computer, I'm not signed in. Okay. Sorry for technical difficulty. Okay, sorry. So some of them clearly not belong to us. And what I will be doing is just go ahead and archive it. So archiving will make it disappear from this dashboard and also disappear from add button. So if I will try to add this issue, it wouldn't show me any longer. So there is a add cards. Like in this query, I will see nothing. So before every meeting, I will just take all the issues from these queries and put them into triage, and then we can go ahead and triage them together and put them into corresponding columns. I don't know. I'm not sure if we want to triage 47 issues right now together. It may be not a bad idea, but if you want to do it offline, we can do it offline. I wonder if everybody here has the permissions to triage.
Let's check.
Yeah. I mean, it's just
on the, you mean permissions on this board?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I also need to sign it.
Yeah. First meeting after weekend, long holidays.
Yeah, all I can do is do the copy. I can't touch them at all. So
Let's fix permissions.
I could just want I used to be able to, but I guess not.
Okay. Morgan, what is your alias? I forgot.
MH Bauer. Oh, looks like you
I'm
almost have me in there, but a not version of me. BAUER.
Oh yeah.
There we go. And remove that other one. Oh, like 3 up. That's somebody trying to get me, but that's not me. So I would kick that person out, honestly. Just
Yes.
FYI.
Okay. Alana, what is your
One
alias?
second. I'm trying to do, oh, my GitHub username is ehashman.
Yeah. Like this.
That's the one.
Amim, are you already here? Okay. Cool. So now we can all like triage this. And yeah, it's 47 issues. I hope that every new meeting it will be way less issues. So let's triage them offline and try to at least archive everything that doesn't belong to our group. And now I want to look at the issues that are in progress or a PR is in review. So we have this one. Well, this is supposed to be done. Oh no, this is something that who is working on this? Sorry,
I think Matt. Yeah,
yeah,
Murky's.
Matt, yeah.
I need to review this.
What is the okay? I figured it out. So yeah, Matt is working on this. Matt is also working on this failing tests. I see. I can.
Yeah, I think those are related and they're the same kind of thing. And I need to review the existing PR because it's complicated. So
PRs currently in review. Oh yeah, there is a restart flag that I mean we'll be talking about. I cannot find it very quickly, so let's maybe do it later. So this is Amim working on, and this is Roy. I think, yeah, I think it's Roy working on this. Is it him? Yeah. Okay. So those issues are currently in progress. I think we have more. So if you're working on something, let's put it here. Do we have anything missing?
We had the serial tab, the flake one. I don't know if it's in progress or someone is looking, but is it still flaky?
yeah, I'm not really sure what to do about that one. That one's been blown up for a while.
Is it in to do or is there an issue?
I remember someone was tackling this, but I don't know if they stop it to see what's going on.
I'll have to look.
I can give a double check again. Wow.
Yeah, because request last meeting when we discussed how to triage it, I think we said that we want to put everything that is in progress into this tab, so we know what we're working on and we can understand what is stalled and what we need to help with. Okay, so let's find this flaky test and put it here. And reviews in progress. Like there are two tabs. I renamed this tab into. It used to be reviewer approved, and we don't have reviewer approved. It's kind of non-existent in Kubernetes. So I put reviewer LGTM, and all those issues are already, all those PRs already have LGTM tab. So this is something that we need to bring to SIG Node group on Tuesday and tell them, please go ahead and approve this because it's also LGTM by our group or by somebody. And now, most complicated 10 PRs are currently in progress, needs review. So this is a new topology manager, I believe. This is what I'm working on. Timeout, it's Jorge, I think, driving this forward.
Hey, how are you?
That's an old one too.
Yeah. Lock contention on end-to-end tests. I'm not sure what. Oh, I mean, is it you?
Yeah, that's my. Oh, that's the flag that I was talking.
Oh yeah,
about.
yeah. This is
It's the test for the flag.
test that needs flag, not test with a flag.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, good, good.
I'd have
Morgan
to
is
look
here.
at this to know what this is. I don't remember. It's old,
Yeah.
clearly.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's even a good idea anymore. I'd have to look at it. So
So let me move it into this. Need attention for author.
sure.
Yeah, I need to drop. See you guys later.
Thank you for joining and welcome to the new year.
Happy New Year. See you
Happy
around.
New Year. See ya.
I heard someone like
Attention.
broke currency and like the currency
Flag
was
for
getting
restart that we
really
discussed.
fast.
Clearly working being
My
worked on.
sister-in-law is there, so I'm actually
And this one is Deem started. I need to take a look and understand what we wanted. Yeah, I think it's all been tracked.
yeah.
I will double check with maybe next time with Jorge whether he's driving this timeout thingy because it's very old and we may not need it any longer. Yeah, I think that the way we can triage everything. The only left tab is like done. So maybe you can like put like I archived everything that was here, and now we can like drop everything here and then celebrate, and we achieve a lot. Yeah. Do you like this way to triage? Do you think it's reasonable to like flow?
Oh yes.
I think it's fine as long as it's a good place for at least to
Only for a couple of days.
have something to look at. So
Yeah. And I'll be preparing this
Tracking.
board with moving all the issues from queries to triage tab, so we can triage at the beginning of meeting. And hopefully by next meeting we'll like triage offline, and it wouldn't be 47 items, maybe like 10. 10 is reasonable. 47 is too long.
Sounds good to me.
Okay. Let's finish then for today. Any other topics?
You can run.
No. Okay.
no, nothing specific. If you want to go through those, I don't mind, but I can go through them offline as well, I guess.
I think most of them will be just archived, so it's irrelevant for our group, and we can
Alright.
quickly do it offline.
Yeah, but yeah.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.